Hi, welcome to this short video on computing sapiens. I am Mujita, an entrepreneur at Wisthinkers. Richie, a ninth grader, approaches Supervis, his mentor. How should I prepare myself for my higher education and career? One capability needed in 21st century is computational thinking. Computational thinking? Can you please explain? Sure, my pleasure. Computational thinking is a problem solving framework. It is not how to use Word, Excel, or PowerPoint. It's not how to code or program. It's how you instruct a computer to get your work done. You mean I need to think and create commands? Yes. Why I need to do this? Before 21st century, you had to make programs work. Excel, Word, PowerPoint. But in 21st century, you need to know how to make programs work the way you want. Let me explain. How can you make a computer or robot draw a square? I know to draw a square on paper, but I don't know how to command a computer. Okay, tell me how you will give instructions to a person to walk in square shape. First, move north, then turn, then move, then turn. You can use same instructions to make computer draw a square. Let me show you. With these 4 steps, turn, move, turn, move, turn. How can you make a computer create an animation? I think I need to learn computer graphics tools to create animations. Not at all, it's very simple. With these 4 steps, first it tells, then it moves, and then it switches its costume. You can create an animation. First is telling, then moving, and then changing its costume. Thanks, now I understand computational thinking and its superpower. Is computational thinking just for computer scientists, engineers, or those who want to program? Absolutely not. Just like reading, writing, and arithmetic, computational thinking is a basic literacy these days. Let me take you through your life journey. Richie in school, in higher education, and in workplace. And all throughout, you're a citizen in society. In school, you start learning and applying computational thinking. I'll explain why. We get fluent with reading and writing not to become a professional writer, right? Very few people will become professional writers, but it's useful for everybody to learn how to read and write. Same applies to computational thinking. Most people won't grow up to become professional computer scientists, but the skills you develop, creative thinking, systematic reasoning, you can use no matter what you will be doing in your work life. Computational thinkers, they will be very strong in concepts and approaches. We are all computational thinkers here. Whether we are parents, students, or teachers, we are all natural computer scientists, and our brains, just like computers, does the computational thinking. I just searched my favorite subject areas and I see all of them prefixed with computation. Computational biology, social sciences, physics. Yes, computational thinking plays a key role in all subjects. We need to develop algorithms, models, and simulations. And since data is growing exponentially, computational approach is on the rise. Seems like computational thinking is the top skill expected by employers and businesses. Absolutely. I will explain why computational thinking is a must have in your workplace. Most of the routine tasks will be automated, and employers expect their teams to proactively identify problems and opportunities and solve these problems innovatively. And these demand computational thinking. Apart from my education and profession, is computational thinking needed elsewhere? Yes, it is needed in your personal life as well as in a societal life. A good citizen will proactively identify and solve problems. Let me give you 2 examples. You see your friends, family members having sleepless nights monitoring their child with epilepsy at home. How can you help them with your computational thinking? You see life skills, practicalities, computational thinking missing in today's education system. How can you help? Hooray! I'm 100% convinced about the superpower computational thinking can bring to me as a student, citizen, and later in my professional life. I cannot wait more to hear from you how to develop my computational thinking. You can develop and apply computational thinking in two ways. First, using Snap block programming language, and second, through your curiosity and observations in daily life. Can you give me some examples of curiosity and observations in daily lives? Example, how web browsing works, email, phone calls, SMS, songs, videos, WhatsApp, Zoom, how online shopping works, bank ATM, Google Maps, barcodes. Just be observant. Wonderful. What's the next step? Attend this course, Computing Sapiens. What, why, and how? Daily observations and their answers. Hands-on block programming in Snap. And how to take it forward in the pathways. Can you show me some cool things I can do in Snap? In the interest of time, I'll share you some links. Please watch at leisure. Some facts, some of the possibilities with Snap, and computational thinking in action. Thank you.